When a new patient comes in for physical therapy, they can expect a thorough evaluation. And that starts with a thorough medical history, an overview of their symptoms and their pain, some of the things that are affecting their quality of life and their function.
You'll be seen by a licensed physical therapist, and then he will take you through an evaluation process, which entails a history, a physical exam, an assessment, and then a plan of care.
And we'll look at alignments. We'll look at their shoulder height. We'll look at their hip heights. We'll look at how their feet are placed, how their feet are pointing. We'll look at that through certain movements as well. And that's part of what we see in the selective functional movement assessment. That is a series of tests that we'll put them through that will look at their movements, whether it's a bending over and toe touch, a squat, a lunge position. And from that, we can break them down further and see what is the primary cause of their problem. Do we see an imbalance that is causing the pain and the symptom? Once we complete the evaluation process, we have a good understanding of what their impairments may be, their dysfunctions may be. So we put together a plan.
It might be from strengthening a muscle, stretching it.
Therapeutic exercise, corrective exercise to improve their imbalances. Manual therapy, this could be massage and joint mobilizations, soft tissue mobilizations. And then we'll also do modalities for pain, so electric stimulation, ultrasounds, some of the things that will treat their pain and their symptoms. Normally an individual will receive anywhere from 1 to 3 times a week of physical therapy, depending on whether it's a surgery, depending on the doctor's protocols at times, and ultimately at the discretion of the physical therapist, what the patient and individual needs.
If you have a surgical procedure, your treatment lengthwise could be anywhere from 6 weeks to 3-4 months.
Usually a person will feel results sometimes immediately and sometimes for several months, depending on their dysfunction, depending on their imbalances, depending on if there was a surgery. So each case is different. We've had people get immediate results, and there are some people that have chronic results and that it takes a little longer.
Once your treatment is done, we pride ourselves knowing that you're going to be walking out of our facility feeling 110% better than when you first came in.